Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can customize voice settings in ElevenLabs. Now the first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to create an account, and now you will have to go to your voices. When you go to your voices, you'll just choose whatever the voice you want to use. So we'll click on use, and then you will click on these other settings. Now you can lower the voice, stabilize it, similarity wise you can lower it, and you can also choose the exaggeration. How should the exaggeration be, speakering boost, or reset values. If the voice that you have customized right now with the settings does not align with this with the voice that you actually want, what you'll have to do is you have to go back to home, and now you will have to create your own voice. So we will look for voice design, and we will say give the prompt of the type of the voice that I would want. Now I will give a prompt, and then I will click on generate voice, and there you go. I will have the customized voice that I want to use. Now please like and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.